Yo, what is up, guys? It's Cookin University here. Dude, shut up! Alright, today, guys. Woo! Oh yeah, first video, yeah. If you guys are looking for healthy recipes, including this quinoa turkey recipe, then you are in the right place. Now, I am about to reveal some easy, I'm talking easy way to cook this recipe. Dude, it's not funny. Without having to pay some crazy expensive price. So I understand that cooking can be very tedious. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you guys this quinoa turkey recipe, the easy way. But before I get into the video, I would like to give a humongous shout out to Ibotta, the place where if you buy certain groceries from a certain grocery store, you get cash back on the groceries you bought. Yes, you heard that. I have earned so much cash back off some of these ingredients in this recipe. So make sure to use my referral code when you sign up in the link in the description below. And once you submit your first receipt on Ibotta, you get an extra $10 back on groceries. Yes. You heard that. But that is only if you use my referral code, which will be right over here somewhere subtitled. The best part about Ibotta is that it's 100% free to sign up. And one thing, I would like to put a disclaimer on this, that I also make $10 cash back on groceries on here too. So now, let's get straight into the video. So first off, the ingredients. Gotta get these black beans right here. Now personally, I get the great value because you know they're cheaper. Walmart, you know, Walmart's lit, sponsor me. Next thing, I get 2 cups worth of chicken broth, aka 16 ounces. After that, I get 1 cup of quinoa, 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or extra virgin olive oil, whichever you want. I mean, the olive oil is way healthier, so I would recommend the olive oil. But if you guys want vegetable oil, here it is. You get 2 teaspoons of that or more. After that, you get about half an onion right here, just a little bit of garlic powder, 1 pound of ground turkey right here. And I personally recommend the 1 pound, even if you're just eating yourself, because I mean, leftovers are amazing, right? And last but not least, I have diced tomatoes with green peppers, celery, and onion. So as you guys can see, I buy a lot of things from Walmart. I love Walmart, alright? Sponsor me. Like I said, first things first, we need a skillet right here because this is what we're going to be cooking this turkey in. Another tool that you are going to need is a pan. So first thing, put chicken broth into the pan. And then you're going to put the quinoa into the pan. And then mix the quinoa around just a little tiny bit. Cover it up and then heat on high until it starts to boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the heat down to low and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, turn the skillet heat up to about 200 degrees. And then make sure to put your vegetable oil in it, olive oil in it, whatever. And then mix it around a little bit until it covers the whole entire skillet. Make sure to put some garlic powder in there too after you put in the oil. Now what you're going to want to do is cut up the onion. Once you cut up the whole entire onion, dump all the little onions in the skillet and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And make sure to stir around every couple minutes so it can cook evenly. After the 15 to 20 minutes are up on the quinoa, stir it around and make sure it's not overcooked or undercooked. If it's undercooked, it's still going to be a little bit liquidy. If it's overcooked, then it's going to stick to the pan. Now what you're going to want to do is add the turkey in and break into small pieces while cooking until completely brown or for about 7 to 10 minutes. And make sure to add some salt and pepper too. And while I'm cooking this turkey, if you're interested in discovering more about getting cash back on groceries, then be sure to check out Ibotta at the link in the description. Once the turkey is completely brown, then make sure to turn the temperature off so it doesn't overcook. And now what you're going to want to do is get the black beans out and drain them. If you would like to, fill the black beans can with water and then pour it all into the drainer so you can get all the black beans out, and then make sure to shake around so not too much water gets into the skillet. After that, place the beans into the skillet. And now what you're going to do is get the diced tomatoes out and pour it into the turkey along with the quinoa. And then cook it around 200 degrees for 10 minutes. And once the beans, tomatoes, and quinoa are all into the skillet, make sure to mix it around some and make sure to stir every few minutes too. And if you would like to, make sure to add some shredded cheese too while you're at it. It just makes it taste better. Now personally, I didn't really have that much cheese, so I just used however much I could. You are more than welcome to put a lot more than me, or less, or none. And then mix it around a little bit too once those 10 minutes are up. And voila! There you go, the quinoa turkey recipe. Oh, hello guys. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any more videos helping you cook the healthy, cheap, and easy way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.